Hi there, thanks for clicking. Welcome to our vocabulary series. In this series, we are going to learn some new vocabulary which is very important in our daily conversation. In today's session, I have a new word for you, favor. Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it. Favor, which basically means a small helpful things that somebody does for someone. For example, can you pass me a pencil? These are the small favor. Let's take a look more example for better understanding. The first example we have, would you do me a quick favor in solving the math? The next example we have, it would be a great favor if you could bring some fruits on your way to home. The third one we have, he wouldn't take money for this presentation. He is doing it as a favor. The next one we have, thank you very much for your help. I'll return your favor. The last one we have, can you do a favor for me? Please like the page.